Okay, today's dishwasher talk is about appearance, the way I look, and I know that's a hot topic, so if you guys don't like talking about appearance, don't watch this. But I've been losing weight, which is good. I lose like a pound a week, and that's my minimum goal. And I use the excuse of, well, I have kids, so I can't work out. Well, I see all these other content creators that are married like me, but the only difference is that their husband stays at home as well. But mine works in construction. So when do I get the time to work out and do my makeup and look pretty, you know? I just gotta reevaluate and either wake up earlier or some things to figure out